welcome to Digit. In this video, we'll be unboxing the Razer DeathAdder Essential Wired Gaming Mouse. Now, the DeathAdder line of products have been going on for close to 2 decades, and one of the facts that they'd like to highlight on the packaging is that over 10 million mice have been sold ever since it was announced. Now, the packaging is quite minimalist. You have the Razer logo on the top right corner, three features being called out at the bottom. First one being that it has classical ergonomic, or rather, first one being that it has a classic ergonomic shape, followed by the DPI of the optical sensor, which is 6400, and that's true DPI, not something interpolated. Then you've got 5 programmable buttons. You can obviously download the Razer software to program those. On the right hand side, you have the Razer branding. Same goes for the left hand side. Then on the bottom, we have a little note regarding the form factor, which has been, again, going on for close to 2 decades now. You've got a proven history with the Razer DeathAdder lineup of products, and you only tend to get these things for the accurate mouse sensor. That's the most important aspect when you're looking at gaming, and this is a true gaming mouse. Aside from that, you've got little manufacturer's contact information in the bottom, regulatory and legal declarations. Nothing else. Very minimalist packaging. We'll just go ahead with the unboxing. This a little Razer sticker, and then you have your user manual as well as all other important information being clubbed into one document. And here's the classic DeathAdder shape. I've got nice little grooves for both fingers, and this thing has remained the same for, like we mentioned, close to 2 decades. The finish is plastic on the top surfaces. Even on the sides, the grips are solid plastic. You've got PTFE feet on the bottom, and there's the sensor in the center. There are 5 buttons, so that's the left, right click. The scroll wheel also doubles up as a click, and you've got 2 buttons on the left hand side. This is not an ambidextrous mouse, so it's meant for right-handed people. Then you've got the cable, which has a rubberized coating, and it's very soft, by the way. And the cable length, which is going off screen, is more than 1.2 meters easily. That's quite the standard. Usually it's 1.2 to 1.5 meters. It uses a normal USB type A port, and the speeds would be USB 2.0. You don't need anything more than that for mice, gaming, or otherwise. You've got green accents on the inside, and this handy little cover for when you're taking and transporting the mouse about. So that's it for the unboxing of the Razer DeathAdder Essential Gaming Mouse. Thank you for watching.